Good evening, guys. We are back with our third session of the Going Local series. The Going Local series is where we speak to local bike shop owners, bring them closer to you and bring their stories to you, and also get a sense of what's happening in the city. So today we are going to speak to one of the youngest the bike dealers, first generation store owner from Nasik. His name is Aniket Zawar. You are a marathon. He runs and manages the Scott Technology Center called Club Z. Aniket, great to have you.
Hello. Same to you, sir. Hi.
Hi. I'm amazed at those medals. We'll soon speak about them. But let me, I just introduced you as one of the youngest first generation bike store owners in this country. If you don't mind telling all who have joined in, what's your age?
It's around 26. Yeah, 26.
So you started the store when you were 24 years old?
Yeah.
Right? It's been 2 years that you've been running Club Z?
Exactly, yes. 2 years.
So how did you manage to convince your parents that at age 24, the bicycle business is where you want to be?
So my dad was quite clear regarding passion and profession.
Okay.
It is like, what makes you happy, go for it. We don't want you to compromise. And my big brother, that is Anand Zawar, who always supported me to start this venture. And in fact, you as Jamin sir, the country head, who always supported me who always encouraged me to go and do whatever you want to do. We are there for you. So I have my support system very strongly and they support me very well. That's why I'm here, and thank you so much for giving me opportunity.
No, it's really great to hear that you followed your passion and you that's what got you into cycling. But not many people know that before you decided to join cycling, you also interned with us at Scott Sports for 2 months. Now, at that point in time, I'll be honest, I never thought that you would be running and operating one of the best stores in Nasik. So kudos to you. I think it was a pleasure having you as an intern at Scott Sports, but also now seeing how you run this business and run Club Z for the cyclists of Nasik, I think is brilliant. So let's on with it. I think you mentioned a few people. How's the lockdown be? I see you're in the store right now, so I believe you opened up the store.
Yeah, it's been almost a month where there was some problem in starting. So in the beginning, we need to line up few things. We need to understand the surrounding. We need to we need to look out for safety, how we can provide safety to our riders and to our customers and to our the people in and around. And my whole staff should be safe. Then only we can achieve few things, and then only we can go for our target and to keep all surrounding fit. So Nasik will be fit.
That's great. So I also know that you follow the Safe Cycle Zone rules, which ensures that your store is a safe environment. You're taking all the safety precautions to ensure that you, your team, and the consumers who walk in are provided a safe environment to come in and buy their bicycles. So let's talk a little bit about Nasik. We've always heard great stories from cyclists from Nasik. We've heard about the Mahajan brothers who achieved some fantastic feats. We've heard about Bharat Pannu, who for a very long time was based in Nasik and now is in Bangalore. We've also heard about the late Jaspal Virdi, how he promoted the whole cycling culture in Nasik. So who are now the flag bearers who are kind of taking that ahead? I'm assuming you are one of them.
Yeah. So has Jaspal for me was godfather. I used to admire him like he was everything for me. He was everything for me. He used to tell me how to get inspired, how to motivate people, and vice versa. There was Mahajan brothers who used to tell me about endurance. So not many of them may know I did a solo ride of Bombay to Goa.
Fantastic.
That took me 4.5 days to go to Goa. At that time, there was Jaspal with me on phone. There was Nilesh, my another brother, who was with me. There was Mahajan sir, who used to call me every day, every night, for how much kilometers remaining and how much he had achieved and what all problems you may face, as it was coastal route and they knew how to
You are a marathoner
handle few things
as
and
well
in and around
There
of
are
coastal.
hardly 1%
So
of public
they have
in
warned me
India who run
regarding
barefoot.
wildlife sanctuary. That time I wasn't aware of that, and if somebody tell me to go right now for that route, nahi jana bhai, sorry. Because I have seen fox almost 10 to 20 times on that route. Lekin I thought that is dog, so kuch nahi karega. And they were also like, wave. They used to wave me and ja, we will not do you anything. But then as soon as I knew it is wildlife and you can't go further, I took another route at that moment. It was my spontaneous reaction for that. And at that time I knew I got some X factor regarding spontaneous. I can do spontaneously anything. That is my plus point, and I'm so happy with that.
So that
And
solo ride essentially taught you first, obviously not to identify fox. You probably thought that they were
yeah,
dogs.
exactly.
Next time, I'm sure there are foxes on the route. You'll know better.
Now, if I see any dog, I will just confirm कि ये dog है कि fox है.
No, that's a great story. But you know, as you were saying, I think it's really important to have such great mentors who are pushing you in cycling, and you know, I can see all those medals behind you. I'm assuming some of them are from cycling, some of them are from running. Not many know that you are a marathon. You are a marathoner as well, in addition to being a long distance endurance cyclist.
Right.
Some
So
of
I
those
am barefoot marathoner. I run barefoot. Not many of them. There are hardly 1% of public in India who run barefoot, and I'm one of them.
So I would just want to wave out to Bharat Pannu. He's joined us. Hi Bharat. I hope you're doing well. And Bangalore is. We've been seeing how the training rides that you've done in the past, and we hope that you're back on your saddle very soon. Getting back to our discussion, Aniket, I think you know what is the difference. You know, I always talk to bicycle store owners across the country, and there are bicycle store owners, and then there are people to make that difference between following your passion and running a business.
For me, it is a positive point. I take it as a positive way. So I go early morning rides or maybe a run for 2 hours, 3 hours, and then I directly come to store with my fellow riders, with my fellow runners. We have breakfast, we have chat around, and so store begins at 8:30 or 9, quite fast, quite early in morning. So I don't think so. There are much more problems which I face regarding passion and profession. I'm happy if anybody tell me to do 24 hours duty on my club Z, I'm always on for it. And you can tell me कि भाई delivery चाहिए at 5 a.m. जो 4:30 बजे यहाँ पे दिखूंगा मैं. So you don't worry about the delivery time. You want, like, there are many superstition people कि कल XYZ reason है या फिर I am not there या फिर the wife is not allowing me to buy on this day. आज दे सकता है क्या? Let it. Club Z is always there for you. So there is no harm in doing passion and profession together. I think so.
So I had heard about prospective parents kind of timing the birth of their child as per Vastu and stars, and this is news for me that even consumers buy cycles based on an auspicious day of the time.
100%. 100%.
So you are almost a doctor for them, where you open up the store at 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning and give them their bicycles.
100%. So it is for them. It is a टेंशन फ्री वाला जो होता है ना कि भाई ये कभी भी आ सकता है, ये सर्विस के लिए कभी भी दे सकता है. So always there for them.
So you've sold triathlon bikes, you've sold e-bikes. It also showcases to us that Nasik as a city is very sports oriented, and the people and the cyclists over there not only just ride for leisure but also want to pursue sporting goals. Let's call, whether it's a BRM, I know there is something called as NRM as well in Nasik. So it tells me that the Nasik cycling community is keen towards endurance and cycling as a sport. So what's been your experience there so far?
So I've been into all the races. My participation is all over in Nasik. So I did 80 kilometers ride and 120 kilometers ride. That is NRM.
Okay.
So those does maybe 200 kilometers. So they have got a chance of 40 kilometers, 80 kilometers, and 120 kilometers. It was found by Jaspal.
Okay.
And it is now operated by Nasik Cyclist. And so it's much more fun to talk with young riders. They ask out of the world question. Matlab, I don't think so कि we can answer that questions, but it is like इस पे अभी काम करना पड़ेगा. ये question आया है तो we need to ask them, and then we need to think about it and answer them. And has triathlon. So there is a name called Anuja. She is youngest triathlete in India, in Asia. She is selected for India. And there is oldest but the youngest of heart, Arun Palve, who is around 60, and he rides at a speed of 32 average. So, and there are Ironmans in Nasik who own smart cycles, who own. It was again Australia Ironman in May, but due to the COVID-19, so there were another 3 Scott riders who were going to be an Ironman, but due to COVID they couldn't. But they are going well. So the running and cycling is done by under my observation, and they are so happy with performance, and I'm so happy with their performance, and I am so happy they understands me and I understands them regarding what exactly they want and how exactly they can achieve. They are looking for comfort, and I'm looking for speed.
What's your favorite route in and around Nasik? What's that one route that you always take? If you had to do a short ride and you were always short on time, what's your favorite route to take?
My route will be Trambak route. Yeah, Trambak and Kasara Ghat.
So for those who don't know, could you please explain for those who don't know Nasik so much, for all of them who are listening in?
So Trambak is where Godavari starts. It is a place full of trees. The monsoon weather is superb. It is foggy. It is like heaven. We are into heaven. Like there is some but it is from where it starts. So there is all blessed with heaven. The surrounding is blessed with heaven, and so it is around 30 kilometers from Nasik.
So
So
that's your favorite route to always take if you were given an option. But you
not for
mentioned
me, but for all Nasikkars.
okay,
So
okay.
early morning, you can see almost 100 to 200 riders going there.
Oh, that's
So
great.
किधर जाना है एबीबी सर्कल पे मिल सो इट इज सेट कि एबीबी बोल दिया तो त्रंबक जाना है.
Okay.
So it is
Okay.
around 30, that is 16. So for Ironman practice, that is one of the safest route, and inclination is there, declination 6 laps, that is 180 kilometers. According to their distance, they usually do it. And another route is Kasara Ghat from here towards Bombay Highway. So it is around 60 kilometers one way.
Oh,
And the best part is that ghat. So it is one of the toughest ghat.
how long
Usually
is the climb? How what's
7.5.
7.5 kilometers? All right.
Yeah. So usually what we do when we are properly in training and when we have some events ahead of 1 or 2 months, we usually take a bike in a car. We park car and we just do 10 laps, 20 laps, 5 laps. That was started by what to do. So everyone is happy with that training कि distance कम होता है लेकिन training अच्छी हो जाती है. So that is most of the people are weak in inclination.
So
They can't.
what's next for you in terms of goals? Because obviously COVID has kind of put a spanner temporarily for sporting events. But personally, for you, what's your next goal? What's that next target that you've set for yourself?
So my personal goal is like to tell society now fitness is everything. For me, personal goal right now it is aside. Now it is about society and how I can let it be cycling, let it be running, or let it be swimming, whatever they are suitable for and they want to. But start exercising, be fit. So that will increase your immunity. And after all, COVID is all about immunity. I think so. If your immune system is weak, you may get COVID anytime.
You are at a higher risk, obviously. So I think you hit the nail right on the head when you said that one has to stay fit, one has to build immunity, and probably cycling, running are two activities that one can definitely do. But let me put it out there that we are not recommending that one do it in a big group. Please do it individually,
Exactly.
probably with your family members. That's the only sort of group that you can call today. You can go out with your wife, you can go out with your father, your mother. So on that point, do your parents come riding with you?
No. My dad walks. He walks for almost 5 kilometers a day,
All right.
and he had knee replacement.
Oh, okay.
So at the age when I was in 11th or 12th, I used to watch TV in evening, and he used to come all sweat. So I was like, कि भाई कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा यार, जल्द से जल्द we need to.
So it was. I think you must thank your dad because
Age of 18, 20, you are sleeping, watching TV, and he is coming all sweat just by walking or 5 kilometers. Walking 5 kilometers is not easy task for knee replacement patient. So I thought ki let's go for a run. Walk is not, as a youngster we can't walk. It is shame on us, I guess. So I started running, and then suddenly it all get in flow, like 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 21 kilometers. Then it took a long time for 42 kilometers, but 21 kilometers was my main target. And then my competitor, as I always say, Nilesh Zawar, who is my brother, I always say, isko harana hai, in sporty way.
And he's your elder brother. He's your younger brother. What's the
Elder brother. He
and
usually, yeah,
and how old is he? I mean, you said you're 26. How old is he?
is 30.
Better timelines set by your 38-year-old.
He is already
Elder
an
brother.
Iron Man. He's not official Iron Man, but he's already an Iron Man who underestimates his own power. कि 30 का एवरेज आया ना, 32 तक आएगा ना, तब मैं आयरन मैन अगर if I am doing full marathon at sub 4, जब 340 आएगा तब मैं आयरन मैन करूंगा. So he needs to cope up. He needs to think कि भाई थोड़े साल में बुढ़ा हो जाएगा.
So one thing is for sure, you have no dearth of motivation within your family
100%.
to follow their footsteps, probably get motivation from them, and continue running this fantastic store that you have in Nasik.
100.
So, is there any message that you would leave for all those people who've joined us today? One message that you would want to definitely leave with?
I would tell you, if you are beginner, have patience. It will take time. It will take 3 years to be a good athlete. If you're not aiming for being an athlete, just trying to be fit, but you need to have patience. If you are testing your patience, start running. Start with 10 kilometers, you will know what exactly patience is all about. Then do 21 kilometers. Now you will know कि हाँ भाई patience आ गए है. And then there comes the 42 of God of patience. If you crack that 42, you will be like, you are the fittest. Time doesn't matter. Time is for the fast runners, for the person who is trying for sub 4. So you need to just start slowly and have patience. And for beginners, the main message is for beginners: have patience. You will achieve, not soon.
100, 600 kilometers, 1200 kilometers even.
So, I will say there is a DYSP of Malega, that is Mangesh Chavan, who came around 28th of November 2019. So he told me that patience is not a game. It is all about your mindset. So he was new. He kilometer bhi chala luga, it will be fine for me. The bike he bought. Now he did in March, that is 14th March. He did 400 BRM within a month of 5 months. So
That's great.
it is all about mindset. If you now he is aiming for Ironman. Today at early morning 3, he just messaged me about I did virtual Ironman. That is new Ironman is going
Yes.
on. He did Ironman, so I was surprised. जब सब सो रहे हैं तब आप कर रहे हो. And he is the topmost cop of Malega, and Malega has been hotspot. How he is managing, hats off to him.
No, I
So he
think
took
kudos to our police force right now who are putting in the hard yards, that they still have the time to follow their athletic pursuits. I think hats off to him.
100%. So he bought an indoor trainer. He tell Aniket कहाँ से भी लेके I want it at any cost. So
And that's what
there
he's
was
done. And
yeah.
now
So
he put the indoor trainer to use. He did a virtual Ironman.
exactly. So I knew I did 6 hours ride on indoor trainer dedicated to our warriors or front runners.
That's great.
So I knew indoor training is not easy, not at all. I had off to Bharat Pannu sir, who do 24 hours, 30 hours ride on indoor training. Hats hats off. I did 6 hours ride. I was like, "Ki kab uthu?" At least. So I start. So indoor training is not a joke, but it is too heavy training, and for on outdoors it is one of the best training. I will tell to riders. You do go right now. It is going to start raining, so start indoor training on trainers. So start indoor runnings, whatever suits you. Don't give excuses for your fitness.
So, Aniket, on that point as well, I need to thank you for supporting being the local bike store partner for our Kanakya Scott Racing Development Project. I know that kids keep coming to you and they trouble you for a lot of,
Not at all.
but it's great support that you and Club Z provide to that team. So thanks a lot for that. And the one thing that I definitely would take back from this conversation is follow your passion. And it's always great to have family support to follow your dreams. It was great talking to you, Aniket, and I hope to